Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the latest features in Filmora 12.5. There are two new features in 12.5, that is audio visualization and text effect. I've already placed a clip on the timeline and added music. Click on Effects and click on Audio Effects. Here you'll find a new tab called Audio Driven Effect. Click on that and you get all these new effects. Let me go through one by one and you can see how this effect looks like. As you can see, the audio effect is visualizing with the music. The effect keeps on changing dynamically as the song progresses. Now let's look at the text effect that's new in Filmora 12.5. Click on Titles and you can see in Titles tab VFX text. This is the new tab that's been added here, and you have all these bunch of new title effects. Let me go through a few of them and we'll see how it looks like. These are some cool new effects that you can try and figure out. These are some new effects that you can try in Filmora 12.5. Hope you like this new video where I showcase the two new features that's coming in Filmora 12.5. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.